Long ago, in the middle of the mountain, there was a poor village named Noorpur. The people of this village were hardworking, but their land was dry, and crops would often die because rain did not come on time. Hunger, poverty, and sickness had made life very hard. In those days, people prayed to Allah, but they had forgotten patience and gratitude. One day, an old traveler came to the village. His name was Baba Nuruddin. He had a white beard and shining face and very simple cloth, but on his face there was such light that everyone who saw him felt peace and in the heart. Baba Nuruddin sat under a tree and began to remember Allah. First meeting with villager. At first people watched him from a distance. Some said maybe he is just a poor traveler. Others said no, he looked like a man of Allah. Soon children came close to him. Baba Nuruddin smiled and gave them prayers. Then a woman came cried her sick child. The boy had fever for many days, but no medicine was helping. Baba Nuruddin placed on his hand on the child's head and prayed, "O Allah, you are the healer. Give this child health." At once the fever left the boy. The mother wanted to kiss Baba's feet, but he said softly, "My daughter, bow down only to Allah. I am nothing. Allah is everything." From that day, people began to come near him. Baba Nuruddin lived a very simple life. He did not want money, fame, or power. His clothes were old. He ate very little, and whatever he got, he shared with the poor. Many times he would cut wood from the forest and give it to poor families. His lips always remember Allah. He used to say, "Real wealth is not gold or silver. Real wealth is peace of the heart, and peace only comes from remember to Allah." After some years, a big disaster came to the village. Rain stopped and land became dry and fields become empty. People had nothing to eat. At the same time, a terrible disease spread to the village. Children and old people starting die, helpless. The villagers came to Baba Nuruddin and cried, "Babaji, please save us. We will all die." Tears came off Baba's eye. He said, "I cannot save you, but my Allah can. All of you come to the mosque, you repent and ask Allah for help." That night the whole village gathered in the mosques. Men, women, and children cried and asked Allah for forgiveness. Baba Nuruddin fell in sajda and prayed, "O merciful Lord, there are your weak servants. They have nothing. Please forgive them. Send your rain, remove their disease, and shower your mercy on us." The moment his prayer ended, cloud covered the sky, heavy rain started falling. The dry land became green again, the wells filled in with water. And so slowly the disease also ended. The people were shocked. They said, "Baba Nuruddin is a friend of Allah," but Baba always replied, "No, I am nothing. This is only Allah's blessing. Be thanked to Him." After His mercy, people began to follow Baba's advice with full respect. He always remembered them of three things: patience, gratitude, love. He used to say, "A heart without the remember of Allah is like broken house, but a heart full of love is like garden of paradise." For many years, Baba Nuruddin guided the people. The village became full of peace and love. But one day Baba became ill. He said to the people, "My time is near. Remember, my body will go to the grave, but my words will stay with you. Never break your connection with Allah." One morning after a Fajr prayer, Baba Nuruddin quietly left the world. The whole village cried, but they kept this teaching alive in their hearts. His grave still lies at the edge of Noorpur, where people come to read Quran and remember Allah. This story teaches that the friends of Allah are not known by magic or wealth, but By their humanity, patience, gratitude, and love, a true wali of Allah remember us that everything is full from Allah and only through Him can we find peace.